Hi there, this is Fran with Brightwing Exteriors. We're at a property. We've replaced the fascia, the soffit, and then we installed seamless gutters. The freeze board here is replaced with a 3/4 inch Hardie trim. When we remove the old fascia, we're going to take a look at what's underneath it. That's going to be called the sub fascia. Typically, a sub fascia is just a piece of lumber. It's a 2x4. It could be a 2x6 in a bigger fascia scenario. After we replaced all that lumber and put fresh 2x4s back in there as the sub fascia, then we were able to install new Hardie trim, and it's a 3/4 inch cement board trim made by James Hardie, and it's installed as the fascia. We'd love to hear from you at 512-323-0124, or please visit our website at brightwingcustom.com.